Okay, so you guys better not go crazy when I'll say dodgeball. Yeah! Oh my god! Pop it up! Pop it, pop it, pop it! We're split into two teams, ugly and fat. Coach, am I ugly or fat? I would say both, but I'm putting you on the fat side. Oh, you missed me! Oh, protect me! Yikes! Ow! Ah! Shut your big back up! Just look what Fish is doing! Da 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 da. Hold on, let me try that. Ow! Ow! Ah! I don't think it's working. Ow! Ow! Ah! Sorry I'm late. Dude, what's happening with you and your dad? He was gonna take away my PS4 so I don't have to talk to my girlfriend anymore. I didn't know you had a girlfriend. Hey, come here, right? Oh, thanks, bro. You missed me! You should have! Ow, ow, ow! Boy, you look like Olaf from Frozen. Since we're in timeout, I sure hope we don't get hit in the head. Foxy, we were in a freaking timeout. Why don't you just listen to the coach for once? Girl. No! Fish don't look